That's how you cool off on a warm summer night on Salt Spring Island. You jump into the Pacific Ocean. Off this breakwater. We're right across the street from our house here.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go for it. Come on, don't be chicken.
Okay. You have to do it
Trevor and Thomas. Okay, come on, Trev. Let's see you do it. Come on. Yeah. Yoo-hoo!
So warm.
Nice. Well, it's deep enough anyway. Even though the tide is, the tide's kind of in. There's still some beach there.
So cold.
Well, it's colder than the lake.
It's so
Are you gonna go in again?
Actually, it's warm. Yeah, I know.
Are you gonna go in again?
Yeah.
I dare you. I dare you to go in again.
Let's go in now. Wait, that's gonna be impossible. We have to stay in so long.
Go for it. Go for it, guys.
We're walking around, I think. No, I want to jump again.
Go for it. Jump into the inner breakwater.
This is cold too. I'll walk as far as I can. There's like a family of crabs. Okay, let's jump in.
Hey, Wally, what are you doing?
At the same time,
Wallace, hey,
you were,
Wally.
I
Don't
already
listen
went.
very well.
I already jumped.
Lots
Thomas
of boats
is a wimp.
over
He won't go first.
Well, it doesn't matter. You do it at the same time. Go for it.
I will. You went. I'll give you 23 more.
Water's so clean here. Look at that. Isn't that nice?
Yeah, if I don't do it. No.
Okay, let's see you do it. Come on.
3 more. 3 more. Okay, jump. No, from here.
Let's go for it.
Sorry.
Cannonball it.
Okay, ready? Oh, it's cold. No,
Go
I'll
for
do
it.
after.
Just do it both at the same time.
You did it. I did it first. Go.
Yeah, nice one. Okay, Trav. Good one, Thomas.
It's warm.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, it's not.
Hey, Wallace. So now, are you feeling cool and refreshed? It's nice, isn't it?
It's warm.
That water's beautiful, though. Look at how clean it is. Crystal clear
Once you get out.
ocean water on Salt Spring Island. There you go. You done?
We might do it again.
What?
I'm gonna go in again. We have to see who can do it the most.